There are a lot of SEO tools out there, right? But today I'm going to show you a tool that works as an all-in-one SEO solution. You can track which keywords your website is ranking for, monitor your competitors, identify issues on your site, and also perform keyword research to help you rank higher. So let's jump right in, and before we do, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give this video a like. So here's the tool. It's called DinoRank, an all-in-one SEO platform. And just so you know, yes, I am an affiliate for this tool. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can get up to 20% off your annual plan, whichever one you choose, if you use my link. Now let's go over some of the main features. Let me scroll down. Position tracking lets you see which keywords you're ranking for, which URLs are showing up, and how your rankings change over time. Very powerful. You can also run an SEO audit on your website to detect any issues. If you have broken pages like 404s or other errors, you can quickly identify and fix them. There's also keyword research, where you can find the best keywords you actually have a chance to rank for, especially low competition ones. And another feature I really like, among many others, is the visibility tool. It allows you to discover the keywords your competitors are ranking for. This is one of my favorites. So let me log in. There are many tools inside, but today I'll walk you through some of them. Once you log in, the first step is to create a new project. Basically, you add your website URL, choose a country and language, and that becomes your project. For example, I currently have 3 different projects set up, so let me show you some of the main sections of the platform. Alright, the first feature I want to talk about is position tracking. This is where you can add different keywords and monitor your rankings on both desktop and mobile. You can enter multiple keywords here. Let me scroll back up and adjust a few. It's still processing some of them, but you can see examples like OEM logs at position number 2, or medical logs. Our best ranking has been 17, but right now we're at 21. You can add as many keywords as you want and track how your positions change over time. Now let's move on to the SEO Audit module. This one is really powerful. I didn't complete it for this project, but I did for another one. Let me show you. So here's the SEO Audit for a different site. It identifies all the issues on your website, and you can easily review them. This is more like technical analysis. Usually, when you add a new project or website, you run an SEO audit to find everything: URLs missing meta descriptions, duplicate URLs, and more. You can also filter by status and check which pages return 300, 400, or 500 status codes. Very useful. Let's go back to the main project. The next module I want to cover is keyword research. Again, this is extremely powerful. For example, in this project, if I search for electronic access control system, I can click search, and it will show trends along with related keywords. This is incredibly useful. Let's say we want to create blog content around that keyword, but it doesn't have much volume or the competition is too high. We can find alternative keywords. For example, smart access control system might have lower volume but still be relevant to our niche. Or types of access control systems. That's a great topic. Instead of focusing on one keyword, we can expand into different angles. And for each keyword, we can also check the trend to see if it's increasing or decreasing over time. Very powerful. Another thing worth mentioning is that if you connect your Google Analytics or Search Console, this tool can show keyword opportunities based on your existing content. It analyzes your current rankings and suggests new keyword opportunities, but to unlock this feature, you'll need to sync those tools. Now, one more feature I want to show you, this is actually one of my favorites, is the visibility and competitors section. Let's take one of our competitors. I'll copy their URL and show you how this works. So we go back here, analyze the entire domain, and after a few seconds, look at this. This is amazing. For our competitor, we can now see which keywords they're ranking for, their estimated traffic, their positions. Some keywords are ranking number 1, others number 2 or 4. This is incredibly valuable. You can run this analysis on your own website as well as any competitors, and you can even export the data. So overall, this is truly an all-in-one SEO tool that you can use to improve your rankings, create better content, and make sure the content you're publishing is reaching the right audience. Again, I am an affiliate for DinoRank, and the link will be in the description. This is definitely one of the best SEO tools I've come across. In the description, you'll find my affiliate link if you decide to use it. Don't miss out, go check it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.